Hi guys, my name is Geier of Mint and Rare near Vienna and co-founder of Wetzlar Camera Auctions. Welcome to this new video. So guys, this is the most beautiful unboxing I've ever done. This is a complete first owner's outfit in superb condition, or with matching boxes, with matching serial numbers. Most likely he used it once or twice in his lifetime, and we're happy that we secured this outfit in its condition. And I don't want to hesitate and show you that beautiful M4 M5 mid-70s outfit here on my table. So first of all, we've got a beautiful Leica M4 original packing paper here, instructions, the camera beautifully packed with the original plastic bag with matching serial number here as on the maker's box, almost untouched. A beauty. So we leave that out on the table. Then we have the M5, similar condition, packing material, old chrome, beautiful chrome M5, original service card, instructions, maker's box with matching serial number. Then of course we start with the wide angle with the optical drawing of the Super-Angulon, on the other side the illustration of the lens, lens hood 12501, and a black Super-Angulon f3.4 matching serial number here as well. Pack that back into that box, basically unused. Then we have got a 35 Summicron classic with keeper, original foam, lens cap 12504 lens hood, and Summicron 35 version 3 matching number maker's box here. Again, done in condition. I wish I would have found such pieces in my family drawers. Summicron 50mm 11817 plastic container, lens hood, beautiful condition, matching number, maker's box. Also the true classic to a black chrome M5 in my opinion. And we've got a Tele Elmarit 90. Look at that beautiful illustration on the box here. This one now with the styrofoam insert, bubble case, lens cap, yellow scale here, which indicates after 1966 and 1966 or after production. Here again matching number, maker's box, and a black Tele Elmar 135 f4 matching number serial box in beautiful condition here again. Also included were a bunch of paperwork, very nice brochures, matching period brochures in same condition as the cameras, kept by the previous owner, now already in a new home, because this went out like that. But we are hunting down stuff like that every day and try to source that for you, for us. This is untouched, unserviced, no screw has been touched. Important for us, important for the buyer as well. Nothing has been changed, upgraded or whatever in this direction. So a true collector's piece, and it will remain most likely in that condition because it's going to a beautiful collector's home now. We are also always looking for stuff that we can offer which is fully serviced, because I can see the comments coming in that it should be used, and yes, these were tools that should be used, but in some cases, very rare cases, these products are mint and sealed and boxed. And we're also happy to have that from time to time, but not too often as you can imagine. So if you should be looking for something like this, or you have something hidden in the drawer, maybe with your father or grandfather, you would love to find us a new home for it, please always get in touch. From time to time we have individual pieces like that as well on our website available, so please don't hesitate and check the website for mint and rare products every time you can. So please get in touch, feel free to ask any questions you might have, and as always, thank you very much for watching and stay healthy.